Boys and girls, write your first name, last name, and date on the line. Answer the questions about the vocabulary words from your Scholastic News. Question 1. Which of these words describe sap? So look in your Scholastic News for what sap is, and then look at which of these words describe sap. Color them in. Is it watery, sour, sticky, thin, thick, or sweet? More than one of these describes sap, so color all that apply for sap. Question 2. Draw a tap and bucket on the tree trunk below. Okay, so again, look at your Scholastic News for what a tap and bucket look like and draw it down below. Question 3. When a liquid evaporates, it turns into blank. Does it turn into sap, water, or a gas? Look in your Scholastic News for when a liquid evaporates. Now we're going to go from sap to syrup. We're going to complete the steps, using our Scholastic News to help you fill in the chart below with the steps on how maple syrup is made. First, you're going to write what happens and draw step 1 here. Then, you're going to write what happens next and draw it here. Next, you're going to write step 3 and draw it here. Use your Scholastic News to help you with correct spelling, and make sure you start sentences with a capital and end with a period.